y'all get here?
We got here at 9, and I would say we were probably 150 back. And so I had already looked around, but I'm here because my daughter and my son wanted his autograph, and he's one of the most important players to him, so we're here and we're sledding through it.
What about Trevor that you like so much?
I like his personality. I like that he is not afraid to admit that football is not his life. I like his faith and that he is willing to admit that openly. And he just is a wonderful example and somebody that I know my kids can look up to.
So how early did you get out here?
Got here about 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Now what made you choose to get in the quarterback's line versus the other lines?
Well, what everybody else was doing, so that, and we like Trevor.
You like Trevor?
Yeah.
What about Trevor do you like? Well, besides the fact that he's such a good player.
Yeah, he's a good player. He's got a good head on his shoulders. And
all those work for the glory of God and believe.
One of those love. Yes, sir.
Okay, so how early did you get out here?
10:15 this morning.
10:15, and where did you drive from?
Bowman, South Carolina.
Now, why did you choose the wide receivers line?
I wanted to get Justin Ross to sign my Dynasty Sports Illustrated,
Oh yeah.
and I just like the wide receivers. Big fan of T.
What about T do you like?
He's so fun and he smiles all the time. He's got great hands, great catches.
You should have told her she's messing stuff up. It's my receiver. You know that.
What are you going to have inside here, Bob? Except for these ones. Appreciate it, man. Thanks. I love you. What's up, Mr.
Here at the end of the season, they pick out what player they want to be for the next year, and so I order their jerseys. Last year they were ETN and Kelly Bryant, and so the little one wore Kelly Bryant all season.
That's so sweet.
And so this year they wanted to be Justin Ross and Trevor.
Now, where are y'all from?
I live in Clemson up
You live
behind
in-
the Essen Club. They come from North Carolina for every single game.
Every single game?
They've been coming since they were born. This one was 4 months old when he came first, and this one was he was born in January, so he was like 9 months old.
That's incredible.
I've never seen them.
Do y'all come to every fan day?
Yeah, well, this is their first fan day.
That is.
But I've been coming for a long time.
Now, whose autograph do they plan to get?
Well, they would love to get ETN and Justin Ross, and then they've got a flag that's going to go in their room, and they're going to just get as many players as they can get over there. So.
That's,
Tigers!
there we go.
Hey, he's number 3, and that's how old you are. Isn't that cool?
35 to turn over.
Man, you're supposed to be giving your book, not that.
What's that? Is that?
Say thank you.
Never thought I'd listen to Nickelback while we were doing this, but
Hey, he's number 3, and that's how old you are. Isn't that cool?
35 to turn over.
Man, you're supposed to be giving your book, not that.
What's that? Is that?
Hello.